Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and updated and that personal hotspot is disabled. Once done, go directly to Settings, then General, then About. Tap the name field. This is the control point. You cannot change the hotspot name independently. The device name is the hotspot name. So start here, because renaming the iPhone is the only way to alter the hotspot identifier that other devices will see. Now execute the rename, tap into the name field and type the exact hotspot label you prefer. Use plain letters and digits. Avoid unusual symbols to prevent discovery issues on older devices. Once you tap Done, the system writes the new device name to iCloud and locally. This propagates to Bluetooth and hotspot listings. Make sure airplane mode is off so changes sync. If you use iCloud and other Apple devices, give it a moment to update across your ecosystem before testing the hotspot. Finish by enabling personal hotspot and confirming the network name matches the new device name. If the old name remains visible, restart the iPhone or toggle personal hotspot off and on to force a refresh. Once done, make sure the other device scans again. Bluetooth or Wi-Fi caches can show stale names. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud or install any pending iOS update. Those steps clear syncing glitches and enforce the single correct method, renaming the iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.